This is DC living right here, my friend.
So right now we're outside of just down the block from my office. About 4 blocks that way is the infamous K Street, where the lobbyists reside, and about 3 blocks further than that to my house.
All right, let's go to your office.
I primarily work in the Homeland Security area. A lot of what I do is try and bring together private sector and public sector to help ensure that our nation has a more resilient critical infrastructure. Let me tell you what, there's an energy in the city that you're not going to find anywhere else in the world. If you like politics, policy, this is a place for you. To be a small part of that is really exciting. My mom was very great about saying, you may not be as strong as other kids, but you can be smart, you can be funny, and you can be active, and there's nothing the muscular dystrophy will do to you that will take those things away from you.
At first we were dating, and then we were friends. I feel like I did most of the chasing in that relationship. It's true. It is so true.
My wife needs to get the gold medal for marriage. We're blessed to have 2 beautiful daughters. From the second they were born, they just wrapped me around their little fingers. When I found out both times, oh, girl, girl, I thought, okay, look, I want them to be smart and ugly. I ended up with a double dose of beautiful and smart, and now I'm really freaking out for when they turn 16 and start dating.
He has such a great attitude and just loves to have fun and loves life.
I believe that friends and family are what make life worth living. There's no way to put a price tag on that. I'm a human jungle gym for my daughters. I'm married to my best friend. I'm a popcorn lover, not a veggie lover. I'm a Homeland Security expert.